Ministry of Home Affairs introduced a new scheme to allow Myanmar residents who live within 10 kilometers of the border into Manipur using a border pass issued by Assam Rifles. According to a report, the ministry informed the state government about the scheme through an official letter to the Chief Secretary. The development holds significance because the state government has currently suspended the free movement regime at the India-Myanmar border across checkposts and locked the gates. The border also mentioned that 8 pilot entry-exit points will be made functional immediately, while 35 other points will be set up under Phase 1 and Phase 2. The movement of border residents will be allowed for specific reasons such as visiting relatives, tourism, business, medical treatment and cultural exchange programs. Residents need to produce relevant papers before Assam Rifles to issue the border pass, and the pass will entail single entry for a stay of up to a week and will have to return at the same point. A copy of the latter levels as deployment of police personnel and health officials at pilot sites of entry or exit points along Indo-Myanmar border directed the Chief Secretary to appoint at least 2 police and 2 health officials at each of the identified entry or exit points of the Assam Rifles Company operating bases where the people will be allowed to enter. The ministry also highlighted that a similar scheme will also be introduced in Myanmar. However, there has been no response from Assam Rifles and Manipur Police regarding the scheme. The state government is also expected to clarify about the scheme today.